Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the Osmo Pocket and how well it works in low light under vibration situations like driving. I did this short comparison video. I didn't want to bore you with the whole drive. I just put together, I think it's a minute and a half of driving, just to show you the shock and vibration from driving. Now the GoPro was mounted on the Joby locking arm with the suction cup, and so was the Osmo Pocket, but the low light situation makes the digital image stabilization really shake, so it breaks apart the video. Anyway, you'll have to watch it and make your own conclusions on that. This is just a sample video to show you the two. Now I know the Osmo Pocket is sort of being marketed as an action camera, and that's why I wanted to do this driving situation, just to show what it does. Of course, you know, a regular car doesn't have as much vibration as, you know, a dirt bike or a sport bike or something like that. But this is just to give you an idea. I'm still searching the situations with this Osmo Pocket on what it can do, what it does best, and the like. So anyway, let's get to the video. Thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate the new subscribers. It would be nice if we could close out the year with a few more, if we could break 100. We're sitting at 93 right now. I've had thousands and thousands of views. It's hard to pick up subscribers, guys. I really would like to pick up some subscribers, and I would like to, you know, make more videos and hopefully be able to help you guys out with things that I came across. So thank you very much. Let's get on with the video. You guys have a great time. Well, we're getting ready to go out of Cape Coral. We're going to be going over the Caloosahatchee. The flags are blowing at half-mast. In the silhouette of the morning sky, there's some dark clouds. Otherwise, the morning would be lit up a little bit better. Please understand, this car has a lot of road noise because it's a convertible, and the soft top lets a lot of noise in. So even though the microphone, you know, probably can hear me, it's picking up all the road noise. Well, there's no sunrise yet this morning. A little bit early for that. Probably another 25 minutes. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if this helped you out at all, and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you're thinking about this, what you're thinking about the Osmo versus the GoPro. Now I know they both have a different place, they both have different purposes. Really, I think you really need both of them if you're going to go to, you know, extreme situations, what you really want. Of course, we all got to deal with the tools that we have and make the best with what we have, and that's what I'm doing also. You know, I'm checking out this Osmo Pocket for just, you know, talking back and forth. I don't have to have a cameraman. I don't have to have somebody focus. It seems to be doing a good job on that. And right now we're in the backyard, the wind's blowing, the pool's running. We'll have to see how the audio comes out. Boy, the wildlife is just flying down the canal right now, about 30 ibises, very beautiful. And it's cold outside for Florida. But you guys, let's see how this works out. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for coming by the channel.